Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's the Pagani Huayra for the 2019 Hot Wheels ID for factory fresh. So there's the packaging here. If I check that out, here's the information. Go ahead and pause and read that if you want to. All right. So this one's pretty awesome. It's all detailed out here. You got the Spectraflame blue or like navy paint job on it. Let's see if it'll focus any better here. Guess not. Guess that's as good as it's gonna get. Oh, there we go, slightly better. So sweet ID rims on it. In blue, you got your headlight details in there. Got your taillights in there. Of course, it has the plastic clear base on it, so you can see your chip. So excellent details back there. Sorry, I'm having huge focusing problems. There we go. So you can see the Pagani Huayra signature there. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.